show you what you can do. We're going to do a mini exercise. Next week when you come in, the research that you've been doing on Philadelphia landmarks, you're going to put that information onto a board. So I'm not going to grade the paper that you did your research on. I'm going to grade your board. Tonight is going to be all about you. So the first project we're going to do is to show you how to use board builders, but it's going to be all about you and where you want to go. So up here, there is a button that says Board Builder. So I want you to click on the words that say Board Builder. Let me explain what we're going to do first. This is our toolbox. This is where everything we want to do to our board happens over here. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add a background. Now the background, just as if we did a poster and hung it up on the wall outside, we're going to take our color to drop down menu. So you can pick a color. And you can choose any color you want. My favorite color is purple, so I'm going to use purple. After you are done picking your color, if you click Pick Pattern, you can add a pattern to your background color. So I'm going to add an animal print. What we're then going to do is go to Add Items. Add Items. And under Add Items, it gives us a lot of things that we can do. Everything else that we can change, we can also change the headline. So if I click on the headline, a box opens up. If I click on background, I can then change the background setting to something else. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on headline. All we did was click on headline. It adds a headline. I clicked on the headline and this box opens up. So it was background. I clicked on background. So in your headline, I want you to type your first and your last name.
Headline?
And now we're going to add a text box. So we're going to click on text box. And again, like the banner and like the background and foreground, we can change that too. So I'm going to click on it. And again, it gives me a background button. So I'm going to click on the background button. And it gives me a whole bunch of things that I can choose from. So if I want it to look like a Post-it note, Polaroid picture, I can add different notes, make it look like an index card, whatever you want it to look like. We are typing into our text box. Where in the world would you like to go, and why would you like to go there? Click on Add Items. Under Add Items, if we go to Media, we click on Media, it's going to ask you right here, Jason, you're looking? We add Media, it's going to bring up this box. What you're going to do is you're going to click on a search in where you want to go. So I said Tennessee, so I'm going to choose Tennessee. You have the option of choosing an image. I'd rather you choose the image. If you do not have the option of image, then choose a video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to look for an image. Selected resources at the bottom, the blue button. If you click on it, it will add your image. So what I want to see on your board, background, foreground, banner with your name, or a headline with your name, a text box, where do you want to go and why, and a picture or a video added in.